So Beacon Mobility is a primarily school bus operation. However, we got school buses, paratransit, motor coach. So we operate in the New England and New York and Midwest and central regions of the United States, and we transport children to and from school safely. Our wide range of vehicles helps us transport children of all types. We have a large focus on handicapped children, and we use that specialized equipment to get those kids from their homes to their school and back every day. Just making sure that our vehicles are compliant and safe and are within regulatory compliance for the state DOT inspections that we do every month. So the Technician App, we use Hub for over 300 technicians across our platform at the moment. We're about to expand that to almost double that size. It's increased our efficiency in the shop, from paperwork orders to whiteboards on the wall to using Hub and a tablet and keeping the technician at the vehicle rather than running all over the shop and filling out a paper check sheet on a clipboard. So it's increased their efficiency probably 10 to 20% at least. Well, we're primarily rolling out what we call MVP, which is expanded a little bit, but we're using Hub, where we're using the work order module, the purchase order module, and we're relying heavily on the vehicle module to manage our fleet and replacement cycles as we're going into the next fiscal year. I would recommend Chevin mainly because of the configurability. That's a word, our customization that we can use. There's the out-of-the-box product, but we're able to configure it to meet our specific business. And I've worked with it with other businesses before, and every fleet is a little bit different. And you can take Chevin and you can use it to your advantage, and you can tweak it to make it fit your business needs. Primary benefit that I would see from FleetWave is having one source of truth. So we have one FleetWave that is our source of truth. Everything feeds into it and everything feeds out of it.